Good morning and happy Sunday. I decided to share with you this morning my Sunday routine. Before everyone wakes up in my house, I come downstairs and I start prepping for the week. So I start prepping all the orders that have to be out this week, whether it's my Etsy shop or my online boutique. And I just pull all the orders out and I put them on one clipboard by order date. This seems to work for me. And these two orders were done last night and I have printed the labels. I always print the labels when my orders are ready to be shipped. So these two are done, complete set in a box. So therefore I print my shipping labels. Here I'm showing you all the orders that I printed this morning from both platforms, Etsy and my online boutique. And all these orders are what we will be working on and prepping today. Okay guys, so we're over in Design Space. So what I do is I go to both of my platforms, Etsy and my online boutique, and I copy paste all the names that are going to go to that same design. So let's say it's a unicorn birthday shirt. All of these names are going to be made on that unicorn birthday shirt. So now what I do is I edit the font to go to that particular design. That way, when it's time for me to make the shirt, all I have to do is jump back over into Design Space, resize the design according to the t-shirt size, and then let Cricut do its thing. Instead of me having to stop every time I have to make a t-shirt to edit the name, this is much easier. So I can just let the Cricut print all the names out. And it's just a lot faster, the process for me. So I had to order 12 and 18-month the baby onesies because I ran out, and I was waiting and hoping that AJ Planks would restock, but they haven't. Angela, ¿dónde están las camisas, nena? Come on, Angela. Okay guys, so what I'm showing you here is that I used to have a clipboard for my online boutique as well as one for my Etsy shop. But as of probably like 6 months ago, I had decided just to start putting both orders for the boutique and Etsy all on one clipboard by order date, because it seemed to be easier for me instead of having to navigate between two clipboards and what orders needed to go out next. So I have one clipboard that'll be for all the orders that are going to go out this week, another clipboard for all pending orders, and yeah, that's basically it. And if I have another clipboard, it's with orders that will be shipping out that day with the order as well as the shipping label. That way, if anybody wants to help me pack, that clipboard has the order and everything that needs to be shipped in that particular box. So here I'm just picking out all the shirts for the orders that I will be working on and prepping this morning for the following week. That way I know that all my shirts are covered. Once I pick the shirts for these orders, then I know more or less if I need to order 4 shirts for the following week and so forth. All right, guys, so I just want to share another tip with you guys. If you have a business, if your business is registered and you have a wholesale license, or I'm not sure what is called in your state, and EIN number or so forth, you can go over to Hobby Lobby and you can let them know that you're a business owner. You do have to bring over your credentials and show them. You have to have that number on hand, and you can get a discount from Hobby Lobby. So here I ordered the tool by bulk from them when it was 50% off, and once it comes in, they will call you and you can run over to the store and you can pick it up. All right, guys, so before I can start cutting my tool, I need to clear off my cutting table. So I start packing all of my orders that are ready to be shipped. Huepa, keep calm and put sofrito in it. I love this apron. All right, guys, so I'm just going to start packing up all my orders to free up my cutting tables so that I can start cutting the tool. I want to say thank you to Cindy for recommending the pink cutting mat. I love this cutting mat. Thank you so much, Cindy. I love her channel. She's just amazing. I love her work, and I so appreciate this mat. Ever since I received it, it actually really helped cutting the tool and my ribbon because I didn't have a mat of this size, so it makes a world of a difference. And not only because it's pink that I love it, I just love that it made my life a lot easier. So thank you, Cindy. All right, guys, so now I am going to cut all of the tulle for all of the tutus that have to go out this week. I swear, I think I spend more time cutting tulle than actually making the tutu and the complete set. Yeah, it's a lot of tulle and a lot of cutting, but here I go. All right, guys, so here we have it. I just finished cutting all of the tulle that's needed for each and every order, and even the tulle for the sock ruffle. That way Monday morning comes, everything's already prepped and cut and ready for me to start working. It just makes it so much faster. And I did the same thing with the rainbow tutus and the rainbow tutu ruffle socks. Tools cut, and if you're wondering why I've been in a robe or morning in this video, is because I'm cold. So now I'm gonna go on DulceCouture.com and I am going to write up 4 invoices. So one invoice is for 36 shirts. That's for a company. Another order is for 12 aprons, another business, and then 2 custom tutu orders, and that's it. Yeah, so it's been very crazy for me the last couple of weeks, but I do appreciate the business. So this is how I prep my Sundays for Mondays. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to my computer. I am going to write up all those invoices so I can send them out to the customer tomorrow morning, and I'm going to start doing some tutus because I have to get all those shirts and all those aprons ready, and that alone, those orders are huge, so I gotta concentrate on that. So being that no one's home and this is why it's quiet and I'm not cooking Sunday dinner, which I usually do because I did a big dinner last night, so we're having that today. And I made beef, that Puerto Rican steaks and rice and fresh beans, and that's their favorite, so they're good for today. All right, so let me go over to the computer, write up the invoices, and then I'm gonna start sewing up all the tutus, at least sewing all the casing for all the tutus, and that way it can help me. Or I might start doing all the tutu socks, don't know. I'm not gonna do any of the hair bows today. I might do them tomorrow morning. So let me go over to my desk. as I was sewing, I let my Cricut start cutting out all of the vinyl for those 36 shirts so that I'm not stuck trying to do it all in one day. So just let the Cricut machines do its thing. Happy Monday. And during the week, my morning starts between 5:30 in the morning and 6. So because I prepped yesterday, the way that I did, it allowed me to move so much faster. So this is everything that I've got done so far, and it's only about 12:30. It's actually, yeah, 12:30. So prepping the night before helps the process for a busy workload that week. That way you're not stressed out trying to get everything done. I do want to add that the rainbow tutus, there I'm just showing you that I need to add the bows. But the rainbow tutus, I did start sewing those on Sunday because I had extra time, because rainbow tutus do take more times than the average tutu. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy this video and would like to see more videos like this or any other kind of a work with me or work prep videos, let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Stay crafty.